major construction project is getting underway today on Elton Hills Drive. It is a bridge reconstruction project that's going to complicate how people get to businesses and homes in this area. The Elton Hills Bridge was built in 1966. It has some structural issues that need to be fixed. Project managers say the internal and end supports need to be replaced. Vehicle traffic is detoured to 13th Street Northwest from 3rd Avenue Northwest and North Broadway, and these detours are going to increase travel time. For some members at 125 Live, they feel this construction's definitely an inconvenience, but they do understand it needs to be done.
If you really are committed to your exercise, you will find a way, you'll figure it out. It could be like an inconvenience, like I just found out it's going to be torn up and the road's closed clear till next July. So that could be an inconvenience like through the winter, but I don't know. I guess, as long as you can still get it here one way or the other, I think, you might just have to go a long way, just figure out the route that works the best for you and get here and do your workouts.
The cost of the project is about $5 million, and this is being funded by a combination of federal grants, state and local funds. It's expected to be completed by July of next year.